Hi, I'm Rekha. My background is second PU. I have joined Eduleem for interior designing. I'm under Shamina ma'am's class. She's a very good teacher. It's been 2 weeks and I've learned a lot from her. She's very approachable. If I have any doubts also, she teaches me very well. She clarifies my doubts, everything. And she gives us some assignments also to do good in interior and all, to learn more, to learn better. Yeah, then today we had a factory visit. So I learned a lot in this factory visit, like how the furniture is done, what is plywood, and what are the machines used for. And then, yeah, my favorite part was this edge binding. I learned a lot in this edge binding thing. I like this, and yeah, this factory visit teach me a lot, like what we can do in interiors with the furnitures and all. Yeah, thank you Eduleem for this visit, this chance to visit the factory and all.